The world's fascination with the wealth of royals is nothing new, and the recent revelation of King Charles III's fortune has only added fuel to the fire. According to The Guardian, a comprehensive audit of the king's assets has placed his net worth at over $2 billion, an estimate that has been met with both awe and skepticism. While the figure may pale in comparison to the fortunes of some other monarchs around the world, it is still a staggering amount of wealth for any individual to possess. The king's assets reportedly include everything from country estates and racehorses to paintings and a private jewel collection. Even the Duchy of Lancaster property portfolio, which was created almost 800 years ago to provide a private income for the monarch, is said to be worth more than $800 million. Of course, not everyone is convinced by these estimates. A spokesperson for the king dismissed the figures as a highly creative mix of speculation, assumption, and inaccuracy, suggesting that the true value of the royal family's assets may never be fully known. Despite this pushback, the public's interest in the wealth of royals is unlikely to dissipate anytime soon. For many people, the idea of living a life of such opulence and luxury is both alluring and enigmatic. While some may question the ethics of such vast wealth accumulation in a world where so many struggle to make ends meet, others see the glamour and prestige associated with royal lifestyles as something to aspire towards. No matter where one falls on this spectrum, there's no denying that the revelation of King Charles III's wealth has captured the attention of the world. Whether or not the figures reported by The Guardian are accurate, they offer a glimpse into a world few of us will ever experience firsthand, a world of unimaginable riches and privilege.